And I am here with Hiro-san.
Hello.
Hello. And we're stopping by Whole Foods. As you saw in the video that we had posted up, the sushi at home products were just, in our opinion, inferior. At least the tuna was really bad, and the rice, of course, you couldn't make sushi with it. I've had several conversations with different people from Whole Foods as well as the supplier, and haven't heard from anyone since. So since we're just in this area, we're going to stop by real quick and take a look if it's still inside the store. It'd be interesting, right, Hiro?
Yes. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go and find out, because it's been like it's been over a week since we uploaded that video. All right, let's go and find out. Wow.
They have Tuna Tataki too.
That's Tataki here. That's great. And one thing I will tell you, the rice is gone. The other tuna is still here. Oh, the rice is here too, Hiro. Rice is still here. They got everything back here.
Yeah, they still have it.
This is farm raised salmon.
This is so great.
This is
what
what
is it called?
This one here is farm raised, and this would be good for sushi. You won't have a problem at all. Look at the price. It's $9.99 a pound. It's actually a good deal. Highly recommend using this to make sushi with. The wild caught salmon, I would use it to cook with. We're just leaving Whole Foods now, and snooping around.
Yeah.
We had the store manager. Her name was Anna. She approached you and she recognized you right away from the video.
Right.
And she goes, she was very apologetic, sincerely apologetic for the product, and brought over her seafood manager, Corey, and he was also apologetic. And they said, you know what, they know their products very well. This, of course, is not us, not on Whole Foods. This is just a supplier that supplied some of the ingredients. So just show everyone what they gave us. They actually just gave us store credit for
I got a credit.
the rice and the
Rice and the tuna.
tuna, yes.
And then also
And Corey recommended that we try this. This is basically
product, Tataki style.
it's a garlic and peppercorn rub. You just thaw it out and you can serve with some ponzu sauce. We're definitely gonna do that. We're gonna head back to the studio now and give it a try.
Yeah.
And really nice people over there.
Yes.
We, like we said before, this is not on Whole Foods. The video was something that our product that they carried, unfortunately. So we're still waiting to hear back from the supplier. They had wrote us and wanted to have a conversation, so we're still waiting to hear back from them. As we decided just to stop by Whole Foods, as you saw from the earlier video, and just to see if they still are carrying their rice and the tuna, and they still are. I think they're, according to Corey, they're in talks with the supplier and regional to find out what they're going to do, because obviously decisions can't be made immediately, but nonetheless they know that there's a problem. Even Corey has said that he's seen your video and he saw the rice and what was happening, and it was not going to end well. And he was right. The rice, again, we recommend making it fresh if you're going to do sushi. There were some comments, well, where can you buy fish to make sushi from? Earlier I showed you a little piece from Whole Foods. It was just under $10 a pound, and that was farm raised Atlantic salmon. You thaw that out and that can be used for sushi. And just to let everyone know, farm raised salmon, bluefin tuna, big eye tuna, and yellowfin tuna are the species of fish that will never have parasites. Tuna, in that case, is because the temperature of the fish will never allow parasites to exist. And also in farm raised salmon, when they're eating the feed that's given to them, they're not like wild salmon where they are able to ingest parasites. So anyway, that was interesting, Hiro, huh? We were just wanted to stop by after lunch, and when we were approached by Anna, again, she was really sincerely apologetic. And again, it's nothing on Whole Foods. It's just one of the products that they carry. So, and I was gonna say, when they started talking to Hiro, I was gonna run the other way. I was gonna send Uber to pick you up, and I was gonna leave you there, Hiro, because I don't know what they're gonna say. No, but they realize what's going on.
Yeah.
And they appreciate the honest feedback, and basically that's it. So, all right, Hiro, we're gonna try that Tataki now.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we do.
All right, sounds good.
That's the reason we're taking a video.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, to So you think they're expecting?
No,
to,
I don't think they
according
expect it.
to,
I think they really,
but
well,
they will be okay. So you think?
just really quickly, Hiro and I stopped by Whole Foods yesterday after lunch and went to the Whole Foods, and the manager right away recognized him and was really apologetic, and they gave him the refund for the rice and also the tuna, and they also gave this for us to try. It's actually really good. No, but Hiro and I are discussing right now. They didn't ask for a video, Hiro. They just wanted us to really try this product, you know? Definitely wanted us to try this product. So
Yeah, actually, that tuna and the last experience wasn't good.
No, it
Sushi
wasn't at
rice
all.
and tuna. But I'm not gonna say everything for food is not good.
No.
Go. I'm not gonna say it. Only just that I'm very enjoyed full foods and another product. The meat is great.
The meat is
another
beautiful.
Fish, we also taking another video at that time. They have a lot of great products.
yeah.
And I actually I forgot to buy yesterday the fresh mozzarella cheese.
Oh, okay.
They were in the counter.
Yeah.
On the ice. That I really want to try that. I forgot that yesterday to buy, but they have a lot of great product.
Yeah, we'll go back. We'll go
So
back and try
of
that.
course we will go back.
Sure. Okay, Hiro-san.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah, this is pretty good though.
Yeah, not bad, right?
It's already cut is very good for the customer. After seal, very difficult to cut.
Yeah. I just wish other product was just as good too. The other tuna should be this color.
But if you pay this one 16 something, you better go to. Of course, you can buy that any type of the fresh tuna. Then if you can, you just make the tataki sell.
You make it yourself. Well, Hiro-san, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna finish this delicious tuna.